Today we're working on pumping out our septic tank. As you can see, stairs is missing from our deck because the stair kind of goes over top of the septic tank. I made the stair so it's easily detachable. It just has some straps holding it on. Look at the cat. The cat's confused because there's no stairs here. She's like, how do I get in the house? Someone will open the door for you downstairs. Oh, look at, she's gonna try to climb up. Okay. Come on. Oh, look at her. She's coming up. Oh dear. Twinkle. Come here. Come here. Come here. Can I grab you by your scruff? Come on. Inside. Okay, so back onto the septic.
It smells like eggs. No, it's not.
That's not eggs. I like eggs. That does not smell like eggs.
It smells like rotten eggs.
Rotten eggs.
Yeah. If only the camera could smell. I wonder how deep that is. It's super deep. It'll be like 1,000 meters.
Stinky business, boys.
Yep.
I bet James would want to
Smells
do
like
that.
dollar bills to me, though. Alright, so a slight change of plans.
Talking to the septic tank guy who is pumping it, he said it's a small tank, it's fairly dangerous with fumes, and he said it really isn't affecting anything. So what I'm going to be doing right now is building a couple boxes for these hatches, just because it took a fair bit of work to shovel this all out. So I'll build a couple of boxes and lids, so it'll just be buried under an inch or so of soil instead of about a foot of dirt. So the boxes that we are making are 24-inch square on the inside, 2x10 and a 2x8. This side. I think we might have to dig it out a little bit. Perfect. So now next time, you don't have to dig that much, just a little low bit of dirt over the lid. And we'll be good. Let's put the lid on and backfill. Push hard?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
All right, it's done.
I'll be the first one walking.
Can't even see.